Oh, another friends of my parents were actually Vladka Meed. You know who she was, and her husband Benjamin Mead, who after her death carried on the ghetto remembrance. They were very close friends, and they lived nearby, and I babysat for them, for their daughter. And of course, I was told the tale that she was a ghetto heroine, that she smuggled papers in and out of the ghetto because she did not look Jewish. She was blonde. It was, the Nazis' view of what a Jew looks like was, just, what does a Jew look like? Because, I mean, my cousin now, Kyoko, is Jewish. What does a Jew look like? So I knew very well that she was a ghetto heroine, that they were important people, and they were close friends. And she always used to call me koza, which is the Polish word for goat, because I was long-legged and I was always running around. This was before I guess it was about this time I wanted to dance. But I just knew them as very nice people, and I believe they were both redheaded, and they had the two children who were redheaded, and they lived a few blocks from us. Yeah, so they were, I think there are pictures of Vladka and her children in our family album.